Punjab. We're here today with the team from Modus DAO. We have Ben and Gary. They're doing some terrific work. We're really stoked to have them. Gary, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself and your expertise?
Hello, everybody. First of all, thank you for having us here. This is Jerry, founder for Modus DAO, and I'm a psychologist. We have been building a native Web3 platform for over 5 years. We started off first with a regular MVP. We started inviting people over to the metaverse for them to experience different immersive realms in the digital world. And it was the first experience for a lot of psychoanalysts and psychologists to be part of the metaverse, to be owning their first NFTs and stuff. So we have been building a mental health care system. And as well, I am really into Web3 and blockchain. So I have been activating different blockchain companies or activations here in Mexico, such as Near, Refi, lately Celo. Currently, we're working on some other stuff. So yeah, we're like trying to build heavily on Web3. We are self custody and self sovereign advocates for privacy by design, and this is everything that we're building. We think that humanity has the key to unlock different uh, basic incomes thanks to their mental health work, and this is what we're able to do with blockchain and Web3 technology. So we're happy to share a little bit more about what we're doing.
Okay, excellent. Ben, would love to get your introduction.
Yes, thank you, Tony. Hello, guys. Good morning. Well, I'm Benjamin Busali. I'm a psychologist also myself. I also have a master's degree in psychotherapy, and I'm a founder also of the project, co-founder with Jerry. I help here with the psychology department and the psychotherapy department with all the clinical management, the academia. We have an academia for psychologists so they can prepare themselves for the digital shift in psychotherapy. Myself, I've been working in investigation of how to decode human personality through digital psychotherapy. And I used logic, math models, and also some psychology theory for this. And we've been working with 100 psychologists now for the last 4 years now. And lately, we have been working precisely on this project that we've been scaling, that is our academia and also the token launch with Cyrene. So we're really proud and we're really happy to help people through new technologies and new opportunities.
Okay, excellent. Yeah, that's just fantastic. So let's dive into the problem a little bit more. Tell us, what Modus specifically solves for and how that kind of works.
Yeah, sure. Well, first of all, we noticed that there's a lack of access and equitative access to mental health care around the world. So this is basically what we're trying to solve. We first and first of all, we are a community of human psychologists. As Benjamin mentioned, we have more than 100 psychologists registered so far from 10 different parts of the world, mainly Latin America and Spanish speaking countries, such as Argentina, Peru, Chile, Colombia. We have some people from Venezuela. So yeah, it's a really rich community regarding psychologists, and we're providing a digital space which is not commonly found in the mental health space. And this digital health space provides a whole ecosystem that goes from stable coin payments, such as the regular problem for psychologists that once when they start charging for their services from one country to another, they usually have to pay either through or be paid through PayPal, Western Union, or those type of solutions, and it's just they are paying mad fees. They're paying they're waiting a lot of time to receive the money. So that's another of a problem that we're able to solve through decentralization. And as well, we are a DAO, so we have a governance forum, and specifically right now we are experimenting with a research forum led by Benjamin, and all the academia that he has been working on, and especially with all of his students. So this is just like basically a platform where you can earn something we are calling mental basic income. So we know that universal basic income is fragmented, and well, it's just like people think wrong about universal basic income. But when we think about a mental basic income, you have to work for your mental health in order to earn that money, no? So it's not a regular universal basic income, it's a different one. So we have the full tokenomics about how that token's going to work, and how we're thinking about generating the yield to keep this sustainability alive over time. So this is basically what we're dealing and what we're
Cool.
trying to solve, especially
Yeah,
with the data marketplace and data economy.
absolutely. That's just tremendous. So why don't you go ahead and share your screen? Let's dive in. I'm really curious to see what the platform looks like.
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
Cool. And while you're sharing, tell us a little
Please
bit more
confirm.
behind the name.
Yeah, sure. Screen.
I can't see it.
Yes.
Oh, yes, I can see it now. Yep.
Great. Excellent. Okay. Oh, Modus DAO. Modus comes from the Latin word modus means movement. So also basically we are using as a logo the psyche, or the psi letter for that represents the psyche in the Greek alphabet. So that means that, for example, if we here disconnect, show you. So this is a psi letter, and this represents the psyche. So in our logo, we are using it upside down, which means an inner movement. No, it's precisely how we as humans are supposed to be looking inward, and how we're able to explore different aspects of our personality in order to mediate with reality that stands between us. No, so that's basically what Modus means. So it's just a decentralized autonomous organization movement. So currently, you're able to join the beta waitlist, especially for Spanish speaking speakers. We do have a few English native speaker psychologists, but so far we are more focused on Spanish. So this works only so far with Phantom Wallet. So we're the website, and we're able to see how we are working on the lunar punk revolution through mental health, data ownership, and privacy first. And this is the way it works. So we created a human NFT. This human NFT is SLP, which helps you be able to create tradable assets that are linkable to your soulbound digital identity. So this allows you to enable a chat for you to chat privately, and whenever you chat privately and you end up having a psychotherapy session, you will earn from your data. This is optional, of course, and you're going to be able to trade anonymized data sets with transparency. I'll show you the platform so you can see it,
Right.
and
And I
you
love
can
that
auto
privacy use
compound
case.
yields.
That is awesome.
Yeah, thanks. And we have the stake and grow for the to be able to claim the mental basic income, the UBI. Problems. Mental health data is exploited by big tech. Users are not earning nothing from their valuable data, and of course, privacy is always compromised for profit. And there's no transparency in data usage. So we have a Arcium CK proofs and Arcium MPC for encryption. We have a full transparency over those and where you're storing it. For example, we're using Walrus storage and fair economics. So this is I mean, this is not the dashboard, this is just like the landing page, but you would be able to see like which companies are buying data sets, for what are they using it, and well, just like overall data economy information, no? Built on Solana, Phantom, using Arcium for Radium AM trading, and we're using as well the Reflect for the stablecoin payments. So at the end, this is just top of a funnel, as side chat and AI therapy. It's meant to send people to human psychotherapy, no? Like it's not meant to substitute in any way psychology. So here we have again how it looks. We have here the chat. So for example, here in this case, I already have minted my, and I'm able to this trained psychotherapy chat. So I can say like, hey, and it will answer, and I can start like seeing different solutions towards like I don't know, something that I might be struggling. So the
Amazing. So
important
cool.
thing is that once I finish the session, a chat NFT will be created. So here I can see, for example, the different NFTs have been minting per session, and once I mint this, I can talk to a human therapist, and the platform is gonna do an AI analysis. It's gonna identify key topics uh, that has been noticed during the chat conversation, and it's gonna be recommending you specialties or from different psychologists. No, so it's gonna giving you a percentage match. So you're gonna be able to find easier which psychologist you should work with, or at least the recommended. Oops, I moved everything. At least the recommended therapy, no? So we have here, once you finish the session, you press here, you talk to any psychologist, you select the schedule, and here you can join the therapy session. And once you finish the therapy session, it's gonna generate again automatic summary sessions, which are gonna be encrypted, and it's going to tell you where is it stored precisely. It's going to be MCP encrypted, and it's going to be added to your human NFT. So you're going to be seeing all your tradable assets on your NFTs. So once you have your tradable assets, you can go to the data marketplace, and you can select. So you can see, okay, maybe I want to claim this side because I think that I can be part of the workplace trace productivity. So first of all, I need to check my data eligibility. So it's going to be checking all the key topics identified on with CKPs. So this is privacy preserved. And for example, here we're able to see what data sessions we're able to sell. No, so we select this one, for example, and we are able to see a price breakdown of how they're going to be able to pay you. And this is important. Everything is designed to use the site token. So for users, they're going to be paying the chat service and psychotherapy service with site tokens. And the most important part is that companies, so for example, we can say that Stanford Psychology Lab is going to be buying site tokens, and they're going to be paying the users site tokens. So this generates a natural demand for the token, and it's a non-speculative demand, as it is a utility demand specific. So here we have the marketplace. Once you have sold your data assets, you're going to be able to see your earnings dashboard. So here you're able to claim your mental basic income, and it's going to be updated automatically. And you'll see all of your NFTs minted, all of your data sales revenue, and your yield farming. So you're going to be able to see, for example, all your growth, all your money growth, your DeFi yield options. And of course, here you're going to have, wait, it was on the marketplace. We added a well, you can see here the buyers, but we added a trading feature, so you can easily trade like your side tokens for your USD tokens. So you can swipe them straight away here on the platform. And so we showed you the dashboard already. And finally, we have the profile. So in the
Awesome.
profile,
Yeah, that's great.
you'll be able to see identity, wallets, your therapy sessions, and your psychologist connections, your payment history, both the ones you've made and the ones that has been done to you, your yield positions. And last but not least, we just added this section here, Modus DAO tokenomics, and you'll be able to see here in sidechat.modusdao.org/tokenomics a little bit more about the why Sai exists, what's going to be the token usage, and how are we going to be using the workflow for this token. No, so I just explained how it works, but
Awesome.
here
So
you'll
cool.
have the flow diagram, companies, users, how they pay for services. And also, this is something worth explaining. We are thinking about implementing endowments. So these endowments can create this yield perpetually, where users are going to be able to yield and maybe donate their money instead of donating their money per se. They can just donate yields, or the full donations can be sent to this liquidity pool for gas fee, I mean for fee percentage. And as well, that money will be taken into consideration for the mental basic income distribution plus operations. No, so this is what the yield be used for. And well, we have a little bit explanations about our fair launch here in Cyrene. Thanks again for the invite. And we have the roadmap for our vision and everything that we have been building, divided into 3 phases. And the token information, which we'll be updating a little bit further down the path, and information for the Sai token. So yeah, yeah, this is about we have been building here for SideChat, especially for the data marketplace and auto custody for self sovereignty over digital identities.
Amazing. Yeah, that was truly phenomenal. And yeah, I mean, absolutely love all of the, insane amount of thought that y'all have put into this. I mean, it's just immense. And to do it for mental health, such a positive cause. Um, yeah, just absolutely love it. Um, so where can we find out more information about the team and Modus DAO?
Yeah, you can find more information in modusdao.org, which is like our Spanish currently working landing page, we can call it so. There, I'll show you the website a little bit. Here, you can find
Sure.
basically everything. You can find the registration schemes. You can find like all the information about what we do. It's all in Spanish, but it's with our, for example, we have here information about psychotherapy, how it works, what's the
Awesome.
process, how to register. We have here even educational guides where you're able to learn and take care of your mental health other than going to psychotherapy. We have
So
here as
cool.
well the academy place
Oh
for
wow, nice. Comes
psychologists.
at you.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Uh,
We're almost out of time now, but yeah, anything else
okay.
you wanted to share with us before we conclude?
No, you can just look here at modusdao.org. We have here more about the team. We have here about our research forums, so you can read as well everything that we have been posting. For example, here, I think that this
Sure,
is pretty
sure.
interesting. And
Awesome.
yeah,
Yes.
basically, I
Cool,
would
man.
say
Well,
that's
thank you so
it.
much. Okay, great. Sorry. Uh, uh, yeah, well, it was, just outstanding talking with you both, and yeah, absolutely love the
Great.
work you're doing, and wish you the
Thanks.
all.
Thanks again. Happy to be
Thank you
part
very
of a
much.
Syrian team and happy for what's next.